Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever misplaced your iPhone or need to track someone's iPhone for safety reasons, you might be wondering how you can actually do it. Fortunately, Apple provides a super easy way to track the location of an iPhone using Find My iPhone, which is a built-in feature that actually works seamlessly across iPhones. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track an iPhone's location, whether it's your or someone else's, with permissions, of course. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So before you can actually track an iPhone, you need to first of all make sure that Find My iPhone is enabled on the device that you want to track. Here is how you can basically check it. So first of all, you need to open the settings of your device, and here in your settings, you just have to tap on your name or the Apple ID tab here in the top. Once you do that, you will be able to see the option that says Find My. So you need to just tap on it. Now you will be in this section where you need to tap on Find My iPhone, and over here you just have to make sure that these options are turned on. Over here you will also be able to see the option of Send Last Location, which will automatically send the device's location to Apple when the battery is low. So make sure that this toggle button is also turned on. So once this is set up, the iPhone will be ready to be tracked, and if it is lost or if you want to monitor its location, you are all set. Now that Find My iPhone is set up, you can track the device's location from another iPhone, iPad, or even a computer. And here is how you can do it. On your another iPhone, you need to open the Find My application. Then you need to tap on the devices at the bottom of the screen. You will see all of the devices that are linked to your Apple ID. You need to select the device that you want to track, and the iPhone's location will be displayed on the map, and you will have the option to actually play a sound on the device or get directions to its location. If you are using a computer, you can visit to icloud.com/find, and then you can log in with your Apple ID and follow the same steps to find the device. So this is how you can track an iPhone's location using Find My iPhone, either from another device or using the computer. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. You can leave a comment if you have any questions or if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.